Yeah, honest shows. Is my voice is very clear? Could you please confirm? Others? Okay. Everyone, it is clear, right? Done. Okay, guys. So let's start the session. So in today's class, we are going to discuss the next topic. Uh, Before discussing the next topic, in today's class, we are going to have the test. So I want everyone to write the test now. Offline students and along with the online students. In today's class, I'm going to conduct the test because the reason behind this is yesterday when I have observed in the lab, some of the students, when they are doing the projects, what are the projects they are selected, when they are working on the project, the common question they are asking in terms of what are the data analysis work. Okay, how this data analysis. So though we have discussed for multiple times and it will be dependent on the data set to data set. The number of questions and formulation of the question will not be decided individually. It depends on the data set, right? Now here I want everyone to take the exam now. So online students and offline students. Online students, please take the test now and take a notepad and write the answers in the notepad. And offline students, take a paper and write the answers. I'm going to share the questions on the screen now. Okay. Now, first question number one. What is online students? Please take the test now. What is data modeling? Question number one. What is data modeling? Question number two. When you receive a data, when you receive a data in, when you receive a data with multiple tables, how you are going to analyze? How you will analyze? When you are having the data, when you have a data with multiple tables, different tables, how you are going to analyze it? Right? Next, question number three. What is data analysis? And what is the purpose of it? What is the advantage of doing data analysis? What is the advantage of doing data analysis? Since data analysis we are going to do on the historical data, what is the advantage? This is the interview questions. Face to face, when there is interview questions, in this way they'll ask the questions. They'll ask what you will say, what is data analysis means analyzing the data on the past. They'll ask the question, already past now. It is already completed now. What is the use of doing now? When it is already completed, what is the use? That is the most important question in the data analysis. And how to select, how to select the questions, or how to select the logics on how to set the logics in data analysis project. Question number 5. What are the various plots? What are the various plots available? And what is the advantage of each plot? Advantage of each plot. What are the various plots are available and what is the advantage of each plot? Explain each plot, when to use with an example, when to use with an example. Explain each plot, when to use with an example. With an example means with a scenario. Take a scenario, and in this scenario, which type of project you are going to use. Okay. So explain each plot, when to use with a scenario. Now here, I'm going to ask you the various plots now. I want the plots in this way. Okay, what are the plots you are going to select? I want in the notes or in the answer sheet, whatever you are writing. This question is most important question for me. The fifth question is most important question. Fifth one and sixth one. Okay, it is a combination basically. So question, I want the output like this for the question. Okay, what is a first you have to write here the plot name. What are the plot name is there? You have to write which variable it is applicable. One discrete, one continuous, one discrete or one continuous with one discrete, or like this, whatever it is applicable, or two discrete variables, two discrete with one continuous. Okay, what are the things you are having? You have to write the each variable, and along with that, you have to write the what is the advantage. Advantage means what is the use. Advantage or what is the use of each plot. What is the advantage or use simply. Okay, what is the use of each plot? Like this, you have to write each and every plot. Both Python, Power BI, and Tableau. In the three of them, what are the different plots? We have discussed all the plots, including the gauge chart. Okay, all the plots I want. Don't only think about the Python Seaborn plots. I want each and every plot. Volume plot I want, which is not available within the Power BI. That type of plot also I want. Whichever the plots are available, all the list of plots, each and everything. Okay, I want in this way. Yes, take a notepad. Online students, please take a notepad. In the notepad, try to type the answers for the questions, or you can write in a paper and you can take the photos of that and share the answers. Marks will be evaluated for the exam. Today's marks will be evaluated. Okay, offline students, you have to share your answers. Online students also, you have to share your answers, and marks will be given to this. Okay, and next, when you receive it, here, what are the various steps? What are the various steps involved in data analysis project? What are the various steps involved in the data analysis project? So these are the total 7 questions. Okay. Question number 4, question number 5, question number 6. Not only each and every question is equally important. These are the most repeated questions within the interview. In the real life interview, these are the common repeated questions. Okay. To be more precise, okay, I'll write the order of the interview questions. First, introduce yourself. First, they'll ask in the interview this one. After asking, they'll ask why you have chosen data analyst. Why you have chosen the data analyst role. And what is your recent project on data analysis? What is your recent project on recent project? Or what are the projects? What are the projects you have done? On data analysis. What are the various projects? What are the various projects you have done on data analysis? And what is your recent project? What is your recent project on data analysis? And what are the various steps involved in the data analysis? From here, they'll start the questions like this. These are the initial questions would be, and from there, it will start. Okay, because you are going to receive the data. Generally, the data will be in the multiple tables. That multiple tables concept is called as data modeling. And from there, once you receive the data from there, what is the data analysis and what is the advantage of doing the data analysis? All these things. Okay, so try to answer these 7 questions now. And you'll have one more test in the next week, and where it is going to be the grand mock test. Grand means it includes the entire syllabus. And that test would be on most probably on Monday or Tuesday, not in the class time, after the class time. Today's test I'm conducting in the class time, sudden test, just to observe how many of you are ready every day. Offline students particularly. Of course, online students also. Never I have the difference between offline and online. Okay, so both the students. And once you complete the answers, share your answers. I'm going to write the mail ID and share your answers to that particular mail ID. Online students, share to that. This is exclusively for test purpose. Yes, you can ask. Vaibhav, what are the questions you are having? Please ask. Okay. So please share everyone to this mail ID, srk.ds.mock@gmail.com. Online students, you have to share to this. This is whenever there is a test solutions, you have to share to this. Test solutions, share to this. Okay. My ID is means if you are having any doubts, you have to ask to srk.nareshit@gmail.com. This is different. That is different. This mail ID and password is not with me, with my some other person who are going to correct your answers. Okay, this is my mail ID where this one is for your doubts. If you are having any kind of doubts in the subject related, Any doubts related to subject? Non-subject questions, obviously admin. Videos, that one, this one, those are all the admin work. Subject related, any doubts? Share to this mail ID. Solutions, you share to this. Okay, done. Please take the exam now and share your answers. Whether you write on a paper means take the photo of the papers and upload that one. If you are writing in terms of notepad means type on the notepad and share. But write sincerely. Don't ask ChatGPT or Google. If you are interested only, take the exam. If you're not interested, you no need to take the exam also. That is your choice. Yeah, online students, please take the exam. And if no questions, you can leave. And who are having the questions, please type. Vaibhav, please, you can ask your question. Others, you can leave. Formal, as of now, no need to answer the self-introduction, that one. We are going to have during the grand mock test next week. I'm going to conduct the test on the next week. There I'll ask even this one also. Vaibhav, sir, once I need the revision of class of pandas after all the topics are covered. Sorry, Vaibhav, revision classes, it is not possible because you'll have one question in the revision class of one topic, others will ask another topic like that. Again, it will be more. If most number of students, what are just overview as within what are the question, exact question you are having, that is not a problem. But complete class you have to take means again one or two classes we have to take means that is simple. That is not possible. Like others will have another questions now. Same topics they'll also ask for revision now. That we'll see at the end. If others are not having any problem, means we'll see at the end. Okay. Vaibhav. Yeah. And coming to Revant. Yeah, you can leave and please take the test. I got the answer of 4, 5, 6 questions. Perfectly, please write the 4, 5, 6. Done. Yeah, honest students, we can leave.